St. Nicholas lived in a land far away, a warm-hearted bishop, the people did say. While still a young person, his parents both died. His fortune he shared with the poor far and wide. The Bishop of Myra he soon was proclaimed. For prayer, holy life, and good works he was famed. The good friend of children, he cared for their need. The sick and imprisoned he aided and freed. He gave 3 young women a dowry of gold to help them find husbands to have and to hold. Though his life shone Christ's life, and thus we proclaim, Dear Nicholas, help us who honor your name. Amen.